The all-top dual-cylinder compressor kit is a robust and high-performing air compressor designed for off-road vehicles and recreational equipment. This compressor delivers a maximum pressure of 150 pounds per square inch and an impressive airflow of 12.35 cubic feet per minute, ensuring quick and efficient inflation. Its construction features a hollow metal shell with dual aluminum cylinders, which provide excellent heat dissipation and durability. Safety is paramount with this kit, as it includes an auto thermal cutoff switch and overcurrent protection to prevent motor damage, along with an anti-scald rubber handle for safe handling. The package comes with a heavy-duty double-cylinder air compressor, a nylon tool bag, a 6.5-foot heavy power cord, a 26-foot rubber air hose with pressure gauge, 3 nozzle adapters, and a thumb lock adapter. The all-top dual-cylinder compressor kit is versatile and can be used for trucks, RVs, ATVs, motorcycles, bicycles, and even inflatable boats and balls.